How do you conduct a discovery call? Kinakabahan ka ba because you have zero experience as a virtual assistant? Well, let me show you a hack. Okay, so open your web browser and search Notezilla. Under Concept World website, click nyo yan. Then look for download. Click download. Then magda-download na lang siya. Once downloaded, click nyo lang yung arrow and click to install. So on this part, since meron ako Notezilla, kaya lumalabas tong pop-up na to. With you guys, follow the installation process. Once Notezilla is downloaded, makikita nyo siya dito. And before we open Notezilla, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's create a sample introduction. So you can use ChatGPT to help you with your video introduction. Hit enter. Tapos mag-generate na siya. So all you have to do is to personalize it. Let's say you're done personalizing it. All you need to do is to copy. And after that, open Notezilla and paste nyo lang yung sample introduction nyo. Now, on this part, make sure your Zoom is open. And you have to do this at least 15 minutes before. So click nyo lang yung new meeting, for example. Then open your Notezilla. So click nyo lang tong 3 lines. Then click stick to window. Then choose Zoom. So pag hindi naka-open yung Zoom nyo,